Hi, I'm Dave Clefman, and I serve as the Director of Church Relations at Regent University in Virginia Beach, Virginia. This past fall, I hosted three separate events that featured Randy Stroman. The first was a pastoral leadership think tank where we had approximately 40 pastors from around the Virginia Beach and the Hampton Roads area. I thought Randy did a fantastic job. I had great feedback from the pastors. I know they got a lot from the think tank and were inspired. And I had some emails and comments that just spoke of how wonderful Randy did. I also hosted a youth ministry event specifically for youth pastors and youth leaders. Randy partnered with another person and did great. Again, great feedback. And lastly, I hosted what I called an inaugural church relations summit. And I invited church relations professionals from Christian universities from around North America to come to this event. And we had a wonderful summit. Randy was one of the featured speakers, did a great job, and certainly would recommend him highly. If you're looking for someone in terms of helping your church to grow, if you're looking for coaching, leadership training, and development, Randy's your guy. He did a great job, and I highly recommend him.